Happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everyone. I hope everyone is doing okay. Yes, this is our day for another video. And I know you can see the ingredients that's already on the table. Puffed marshmallows, honey graham crackers, and Hershey's chocolate. Yep, you figured it out. We're going to do s'mores. But I am not about to go outside in 95 degrees here in Texas and do s'mores. As my mom would always say, there's more than one way to skin a cat. So we're going to do these s'mores in the oven. And I know you're saying, okay, but how is she going to toast the marshmallows? We're going to turn the broiler on. But anyway, you guys, this will be a short, quick video, but one of the most delicious recipes. And also, you guys, I always want to be honest with you all. When I did the fried green tomato turkey burger, my presentation wasn't right. So let me clear that. Whenever you do a burger, to get your right presentation, you need to keep the burger whole. I should have had the tomatoes, which I did, on top. And then I should have drizzled some Thousand Island to where it would have gave it a better presentation. After I did it, I was like, presentation wasn't right. But the burger was delicious. All right, let me break this up. I'll show you the first step and then the final step. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, this is what I did. I'm only doing 3. So you would do for however many people you'd like to make s'mores for. And this is 1 candy bar. And I divided it into 3 and put it on top of the graham cracker. Now preheat your oven to 400 degrees. What we're going to do, we're going to stick these in the oven for approximately 5 minutes. That's it, you guys. We just want the chocolate to melt somewhat. And also, see if you can find these. The graham crackers that I got, they are perfect for s'mores. That way you don't have to break them, you don't have to cut them. They're the right size for s'mores. So again, look for this on the package that says perfect for s'mores. All right, I'm going to put this in the oven for approximately 5 minutes. Then I'll come back and show you how we're going to do the last and final step. Be right back. All right, here we go. You see the chocolate is slightly melted, and I left it in there probably for about 4.5 minutes, but you can do 5 and that's okay. So next what we're going to do, we're going to take the marshmallows. They are the jet puffed. What size are they? Okay, just look for this. You see? Okay, and we're going to take it. We're just going to put it there. Now what you're going to do, you're going to put your oven on broil. All right? That's how we're going to get that real nice toasted marshmallow. Okay, there you go. Okay, now we're going to put it back in the oven on broil. Please do not leave it. I want you to watch it, and once it get a toasty, melty brown, then take it out. So when I come back, I will show you guys the finished presentation. Told you it wouldn't be a long video, and that's a napkin underneath that you see because this pan is pretty hot. Okay, you see the toastiness of the marshmallows? Yum, yum, yum. All right, I'm about to top these babies off, and I'll come right back. Okay, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the oven s'mores. Who said you need a campfire to do s'mores, right? We just did them in the oven. And yes, it is ooey gooey like it would be on a campfire. And I'm not going to lie, you guys, it is really early for me to be eating sweets. I'm trying to do better because I was told the first thing you put in your body in the morning is where your energy will come from. But anyway, I will pick it up and show you guys how ooey gooey. I don't know, I might have to look at that. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. Just one bite. Hold on. Mm. Mm-mm. You see that? That is the oven s'more. It really tastes amazing. But it's still too early for me to be eating sweets. But anyway, you guys, thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up and comment below. Please share and subscribe. Again, thanks to all